Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of this weekend edition of Saturday, September the 23rd, 2023. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic. We have 2 binaries, 10 by 10, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. Here one, there one, and we have a killer Sudoku. 4 of them I will solve now. The rest of the puzzles tomorrow, because in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles. In the additional, there's no additional in today's newspaper in the weekend edition. So what I will do tomorrow evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the this puzzle page, and also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. But first, let me solve the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 7147. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot of printed digits, 27 I believe. Let me zoom this out. Yes, 27. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the additional, the puzzles in the additional, the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku, actually it's a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Usually the 3 stars Sudokus has 25 printed digits. This one has 27. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Now. Let me see. How about, well. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this first column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Yeah, 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. In this big square should be here, the 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this last row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in that row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. And now, 2, 2, okay. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Three missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Then, yeah. 7, 2. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. The 2 and a 3 in one of those two boxes. In this column, the 2 and a 3 in one of those two boxes. In that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So 1 that you left in this big square for the 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 3, 3, okay. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in the same box. So the 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. And now, 4 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this second row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a double 7. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7, so we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be an 8. That box should be a 7 then. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Out there we see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 supposed to be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. The 8 in the last column. The 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about 5, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. On that column. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7 again. So here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left. Oh no, 2 digits left. 1 and a 6. Here we have a pair again. Okay. Here should be also 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in this column. The 1 in the column next. So last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and 7. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and 7. We have 3 now in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's a 1 star. Or if I'm faster than 40 minutes, it will be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.